Hello guys, today we are creating a stretch slide effect in After Effects. First, let's prepare our two clips. The first thing we'll do is go to the effects panel and find motion tile, then drag it onto the first clip. For the settings, we'll change the output width and output height to 200 and make sure to check mirror edges. Once that's done, we can close the effect to keep our workspace tidy. Then, we just copy the effect, move over to our second clip and paste it there. Next, we'll add transform from the effects panel and drag it onto both clips. Click on the first clip, then move to the very end of it where it overlaps with the second clip and go back 7 frames. Here, we'll set a keyframe for position. If you want to see your keyframes, just press U on your keyboard. Then, go back 1 frame from the end and start dragging the position to the right until it reaches the end of the motion tile. Finally, just align the second keyframe so it sits right in the middle between the two clips. Now we'll do the same for the second clip. Start at the beginning, then count forward 7 frames and set a keyframe for position. Again, press U if you want to see your keyframes. Next, go to the start of the second clip and drag the position to the left until it reaches the end of the motion tile. If I play that back, we have basics of this slide transition where it kind of slides and then switches to the next scene. Now I'll select the keyframes on the first clip and press F9 to easy ease them. Then, I'll go into the graph editor and make it super slow at the beginning and super fast at the end. After that, I'll select the keyframes for the second clip, hit F9 again, go into the graph editor and do the opposite, fast at the start and slow at the end. Next, we're going to add the CC scale wipe effect to the first clip. Start by moving your playhead right to the first keyframe, and at this point, toggle stretch on. If you can't see your keyframes, just press U to reveal them. Then, move all the way to the end of the clip, click on center, and drag it off the screen to the right. After that, change the direction to -75 and adjust the stretch value to 0.5. Once that's all set, select all the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them, and then open the graph editor. Here, we'll make the animation start off really slow and then speed up towards the end. Next, we'll take the CC scale wipe effect, click on it, copy it, and then paste it onto our second clip. Press U to reveal the keyframes, and in this case we just need to swap them around because we want the animation to do the exact opposite of the first clip. Once that's done, highlight the keyframes and open up the graph editor. This time we're going to make the movement go from fast at the start to slow at the end, which is the reverse of what we did on the first clip. After that, click on center and drag it from the right side over to the left, and also change the direction from -75 to 75 so it aligns perfectly. And finally, to really polish everything and make the whole transition feel smooth and natural, we'll turn on motion blur for both clips. And that's it for today. I'll be back later this week on Thursday, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the bell to get notified.